All right, got a 2014 Equinox with the 2.44 cylinder. Got a bad battery, so gonna be replacing the battery on this. Battery is underneath that. So to start, we're gonna take this off. It slides in there, that little track right there, down in that groove. And then we have a couple bolts here, so we're gonna take them off. So once you take that out, you're going to slide this that way, because there's a little bracket here on the bottom right there, and that slides onto these little ears. Pull that off and set it to the side, and there where you've got access to the battery. But before I change it, I'm going to test it. So I did the test. You can see it came back as replace. 93% fully charged, but the health is 0%. I came out this morning, it was about 45 degrees. It did not start at all. Had to jump it. Leaving work to come home, it was in the 70s, so it started without a problem, but it's getting to a place where it does not like cold weather. So let's get started. All right, so 10 millimeter. This here will also be a 10. Loosen that up a little bit. This other one's a 10, but you need a gear wrench to get into it. Now, pull these loose. Oh, forgot about that. I need one of these, pull these pins out. Hard to do this with one hand. Fold it back like that. All right, so I had to use two hands to pull the battery out. I was able to lift this positive post up and turn it enough to pull it out. So now I'll take the new one, positives this side, so it matches up. I can set it down in there, like so. That side up. Always take that off, won't work very good if you don't. Put the bracket back on. Now I can tighten everything back down. I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you have a gear wrench, if you look at the direction this is pointed, that's the direction it's going to go. So to tighten it, you'd go that way. To loosen it, you'd point it that way to go that way. That's how the gear works. So you don't have to, it's usually a 50-50 chance, and you always try the first one wrong the first time. So this might help you quickly put the wrench on in the right place. All right, so now I can swing this back down. That back into place. And then I can put this back on, slide it back on those tabs, line my hole up. And slide this cover back on. Got these little tabs down here. You can just slide on both sides. And there you have it. All right, now to see if it starts. Perfect. Come on, cold mornings. I'm ready for you now. Thanks for watching, everybody.